Apple's annual launch event is just around the corner, and it's all set to showcase its thinnest iPhone ever. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge was all blooming with its ultra-thin smartphone range, but due to the underwhelming launch, Apple has the Edge here now to steal Samsung's thunder and market their upcoming iPhone 17 Air. Let's compare the two phones in terms of camera, battery life, and price to see which really is the best choice. The similarity between the two phones is that they both offer a sleek aesthetic design, with iPhone offering an impressive 5.5mm compared to the 5.8mm of the Galaxy S25 Edge. Looks like Apple's already taking the lead. Let's compare the camera. Samsung will showcase 3 cameras with high performance, while iPhone 17 Air will only have one with 48 megapixels. That sounds like an absolute weakness, but we have seen time and time again that Apple can get way more out of fewer lenses and with higher quality image processing. Also, iPhone 17 Air is said to have a larger sensor, possibly borrowed from the iPhone 17 Pro series, which could further close the gap. Battery life has always been a concern for iPhones and phones that claim thinness in their models. But this time, Samsung also lacked in providing longer battery life in S25 Edge due to its ultra-thin design. Apple's taken the lead here as well, with the adaptive power mode in iOS 26 and the anticipated A19 Pro chip. iPhones running longer than Samsung's? The world is seriously changing. The last is the price, and Apple's far ahead with a whopping price tag of $1,099, which would directly compete with the Galaxy S25 Edge. It will be even more costly than iPhone 17 Pro Max, but the phone is set to have some launch day deals which make it less heavy on the pocket. So, which one are you choosing? Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge or the iPhone 17 Air? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.